Welcome. Today we are looking at the Oraimo Cordless Handheld Cleaner. This was very kindly sent out to me. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. If you want to pick this up or know more about it, I will leave a link in the description box below. If I am able to get a discount code, I will also link that in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get an instruction booklet in different languages. Type A to Type C cable. This does charge with a Type C cable, but I did try charging this with my Google Pixel. That's a fast charging adapter and the cable. It did not charge with that. I charged it with a normal one and it charged with that. So this can't be charged with a fast charging adapter. We get a dusting brush. I like the size on this crevice tool. It has a nice length. It's good to get in between the car seats. Just to show you the front. This handheld vacuum cleaner weighs 630 grams. It has a built-in 2600 milliamp hour battery that gives you a runtime between 15 to 20 minutes and it takes around 3.5 hours to charge. So the cleaner, before we look at the top, at the back here, that's the Type C port to charge the cleaner. At the bottom we have an information sticker. It does have a nice grip. On this side we have some branding and air outlet. Air outlet on this side. At the top, on-off switch. Turn it off, we just push it back. That little light there, just turn it on again. That will start blinking when you put it on charge. Once it's fully charged, it will stay solid white. That's the bin release button there. Just push that. Inside we have a Hepa filter. Just pull that out. That can be washed. Make sure it's completely dry before you put it back in, because this is only a dry pickup vacuum. That's what the inside looks like. That little rubber part in there, that's to stop rubbish falling back out. The Hepa filter just fits back into place. Best thing about having a cleaner like this, when your kiddies make mess, every parent must have experienced this. That's where a cleaner like this comes in use. Now if I tip the cleaner like this, the rubbish won't fall out. That rubber flap they've got on there, that's really useful. We have used other cleaners where we've picked everything up and then we've done this and it's fallen back out. That's doing a good job. So there we are, my overall thoughts. It's a good little cleaner. Battery life's decent. I mean, you wouldn't expect much from a cleaner like this. Between 15 to 20 minutes is decent. This one, we're going to leave it in the car because our little kiddies make a lot of mess. And this will be perfect to keep in the car. Only one complaint I have, that's the dusting brush, because you can't attach it without the crevice tool. You have to use the crevice tool if you want to use the dusting brush. So if you lose your crevice tool, you can't use the dusting brush as well. But then again, you can use it like this, and that's a large enough opening to be used in majority of cases. I hope this video helped someone. If it did, a like would be appreciated. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.